In this video, I will show you how to make big text in Discord so you can make your messages stand out and grab attention in chats. Now to do this, as you can see, I'm currently here on my server, so you can see if I type anything, then it's just going to come up as a normal size text. To change the size, what you want to do is put a hashtag and then a space and then write the text that you want to make bigger. So if I put hashtag space subscribe, and then I'm going to hit enter, as you can see, it's now made it a lot bigger. Now you can change this by adding a different number of hashtags. So for example, if we do 2 hashtags followed by a space and then subscribe, hit enter, you can see it's made it slightly smaller, and we can repeat this again for 3 hashtags. So like this, space subscribe, and then hit enter. You can see it's made it slightly smaller again, but it's still made it quite big so it stands out. So that's how to make big text in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.